Good morning, students. Today we are going to observe the diffusion of two gases. Here, the materials are ammonia and hydrochloric acid solutions and the two cotton balls and the 50 centimeter glass tube or a long narrow tube, glass tube, and two rubber corks. And already I said that two solutions which we have to soak the cotton plugs into that solution. Insert them separately at the two ends of the tube with the help of the tongues. At the same time, close the end of the glass tube with the rubber cork and absorb it. So you can see that hydrochloric acid gives off the hydrochloric gas and the ammonia solution gives off the ammonia gas. And you can see how the white color formation is taking place, that is the ammonium chloride. You can see the white color ring. So that is nothing but ammonium chloride. From the above experiment, so from the diffusion of two gases, I prepared the three questions. So the first one is, what would we see from the above experiment? So what we observed a white ring appears closer to the hydrochloric end. Okay, please remember this. So it is closer to the hydrochloric end. And the second question is, write an equation for the product that is found. So what is the product here? Ammonium chloride is the product. So what is the equation? I wrote in the form of a word equation. Ammonia, when it is reacting with hydrochloric acid, so it gives rise to ammonium chloride. So what are the reactants here? Ammonia and hydrochloric acid is a reactant and the product is ammonium chloride. Now I wrote in the form of a skeleton equation, that is a symbol equation. So what is the formula for ammonia? NH3. So what is the formula for hydrochloric acid? HCl. What is the formula for ammonium chloride? NH4Cl. If you see the balancing also, the balancing is also stable. Okay, it is balanced equation. Now next one, the third question, how can you explain why the product is formed closer to one end than the other end? So the answer is, ammonia is lighter than hydrochloric acid. So the ammonia diffuses faster than the hydrochloric acid. So already we know that ammonia, okay, both the gases react together. So here if you see, both the gases are reacting together. Think that this is a long narrow glass tube. Okay, we place the two cotton plugs. Already we know that. So one is the hydrochloric acid and one is the ammonia. Okay, so here what happened in both the gases, okay, when both the gases react together to form a white ring. Okay, so you can see a white ring formation is taking place here. So white ring in the test tube. So due to the formation of ammonia. Okay, so observe and measure the distance, both the distance, a white color ring from two end to the glass tube. It is formed. So what is the explanation here? The complete explanation, we observe that the ammonia gas is traveled very faster, so that the distance of the white ring is more from ammonia into the hydrochloric end. So you can see the distance here. The ammonia, the distance is more because it is lighter in nature. Okay, it is lighter particle, or else the gas is very light. And next, hydrochloric acid, you can see the distance is very less, and you can see because of the reaction between the ammonia and hydrochloric acid, you can see a white color formation is taking place. So what is this white color? Ammonium chloride. So this is about the conclusion. So this is about the how the diffusions takes place, or what is the speed of the diffusion of the two gases. I hope so that you understand this activity experiment. Thank you.